How to buy Bitcoin on SafePal Wallet. So if you want to buy Bitcoin on SafePal, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, make sure to open the SafePal app and then make sure that you log into your account. After you log in, this is the interface you will see. So if you want to buy it, you can see this option right in between that says buy, tap on it. Now over here, you can simply choose the currency you want to pay in and the estimated receiving you will see there. So let's say I want to buy $1,300 worth of Bitcoin. I will select $1,300 and these are the amount of Bitcoin I will get. I can tap on payment method to select all the payment methods I have, like bank transfer, debit card, credit card, Google or Apple Pay. Then after that, I can tap the buy button. Then on the next page, what I have to do is, you can see a couple of options. I'll be asked to go ahead and then simply log into my account, and once done, I'll be able to simply buy my cryptocurrency or Bitcoin on SafePal. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.